Trump cuts Harvard's funding. How much money has he cut? On April 14th, Trump cut $2.3 billion worth of federal funding from Harvard. Why? Trump has listed demands that Harvard has rejected, such as end all DEI programs, implement federal oversight for school criteria, commit to public disciplinary action to anti Semitism, and allow audits of campus culture. Now, how does this affect Harvard? It will cut federal funding of about $650 million per year. So it's not $2.3 million this year. The total is about $2.3 million, $650 a year, which is about 11% of their yearly budget. Now, what programs will be affected? Research programs will be the primary thing. Labs and infrastructure, clinical trials, and health studies. Research programs, biomedical research, defense research, and environmental research. There are a number of others, but those are the big three. So what now? Many colleges are facing these rules, and some have agreed to comply, like Columbia. Some have agreed to review their policies, which is what most of the schools are doing. And some, like Harvard, have rejected these rules/compliance. So Harvard is the first one we're hearing about. I'm sure there's going to be a lot of others. Now, the real question everybody's wondering, all the time, every time, can he do this? I think I've written that a lot of times in the last couple of months. Now, due to the massive scope of power through the executive branch and the power of executive orders, he is able to freeze funding indefinitely, so for however long he really wants to. However, he is unable to permanently prevent these colleges from getting funding in the future. Any further action would need congressional approval. So, I think the biggest point of irony here is the reason he has this power is because of the fact that the DOE falls under his jurisdiction to control. And he wants to get rid of the DOE. So it's like he's using it to his advantage, and yet he doesn't want it there. Whatever. All right, those are my sources. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye.